Thailand is the richest country of the source of water for farming. Especially Thai rice is the best agricultural commodity with the highest worldwide production. The source of the best rice quality has been producing by the high and modern technology. Nowadays, Bangkok Inter Food Company Limited, we emphasize the point of consumer safety as our policy, quality and safety. Under several international standards, FFSC 22000, ISO 9001 2015, ISO 14001, GMP, HACCP, Halal, Kosher and Thailand Trusted Mark. We continuously develop flour products by using innovation production to add more value from agricultural products. And we would like to make sure that our customers can have the good products, safety and quality as well. Other than our main rice products, we continuously develop products by high technology and expand to other food items, such as mixed flour, noodle, frozen food, gluten-free and Japanese confectioner to provide customers. From over 30 years experiences bring us to reach the top flour manufacturing of Thailand. And we currently export our products worldwide with quality. We do not stop to develop our quality products because we emphasize that we would like to produce and develop the good and high quality products for our customers onward under our policy, quality and safety.